Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hairstyles you can unlock your true potential with. So here we have a very nice blonde bob makeover. So the stylist did a beautiful volumized blonde bob style here. She does have the swoop bangs to frame out the look. And I really love how much body and movement this bob has. Very pretty. Next up, we see someone with long brown hair. Oh, I love this. I love the texture that this bob has. Beautiful bangs in the front. Gorgeous. Her natural texture is absolutely breathtaking within this bob. So the stylist does some more beautiful curtain bangs here for the next style. Playing into that layered haircut trend that we're seeing heavily. Very nice. And then we have another long to short transformation. Looks like she's also mixing things up with a bob style. Her natural texture, so pretty. And we are seeing a lot of curly bob styles. Great way to wear your hair if you do have natural curly or wavy hair. And then we also see the look worn straight. So much versatility. Next up, we see someone with long dark hair. Oh, the stylist is cutting off quite a lot of hair here. chance of getting a nice volumized bob with curtain bangs. Oh wow. Beautiful hair change here. Wow, she looks amazing. Such a stunning makeover. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out this last hair transformation.